If you're looking to stop recurring charges on PayPal, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to cancel any unwanted recurring payments. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the PayPal app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with the recurring charges you want to stop. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to open your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your PayPal account. Step 3. Go to Payments. In the Account Settings menu, find the Payments section. Click on it to view your payment preferences and manage your subscriptions and recurring payments. Step 4. Manage Pre-approved Payments. Look for an option labeled Manage Pre-approved Payments or Manage Automatic Payments. This section will display all active subscriptions and recurring payments linked to your account. Step 5. Cancel the recurring payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your PayPal account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer support for help.